Hello sir. Where is the search warrant? We are from the media. Just want to know whether we have the search.
Search warrant. Live video.
Because honestly, for case Diphu Kramsa asin log kon bile aso. वैसे ये लोकेशन ये थे दे आपने कैसे ये तो नंबर था बताइए उसको जैसे लोग
Also, in a recent time also, like we have faced the same torchlight. No, like to my face, to my eyes. I went to take water in the backyard. I mean, we are not criminal. Come on.
Inquiry to come by so kiba proof thakile inquiry koribo bala proof hua episode inquiry lage na proof hua kone inquiry koribo lage bata.
But inquiry, like under inquiry section, you are not allowed to search my house. I'm requesting it that, like, again and again.
No, actually it's not required warrant. Okay.
What do you mean by warrant?
Search warrant agar lage bole to dokar na.
No, who said so?
Who
said so? I mean, this house does not belong to anyone. It belongs to our house.
You have been allowed to search the whole
without any document. You are entering into my house and telling me warrant is not required. You're trying to teach me the house warrant search is not required. Sir, please don't tell me like that. In midnight, like you are harassing like anything, and then like you're see, suited, booted to look at these people. My son will get scared. I'm telling you, and this has not happened for the first time. For 2 decades, we've been tolerating this.
I don't know the past things, okay?
No, I'm telling you, and I'm requesting you now also. Please back off. I'm telling you, otherwise.
What do you want to do? What are you going to do?
No. See,
What do you want to do?
it's not good. It's not good. This is not the proper way.
Try to cooperate.
This is not the proper way.
Cooperate us.
This is not the proper way. This is not the way. This is not the way you harassed.
You see, on production of the warrant, it's written out here.
All of a sudden, they wanted to, like.
Karwana to find ami search kori pare. Search kori pare.
Sir, but
ami kuchu dorkar nahi. Ami search warrant loye koi dorkar nahi.
sir, that we can understand, but there should be any some complaint lodged against the person you are
Actually, we have some.
sir, we have to disclose. We have to disclose to the family who lodged the complaint. What's the complaint related to? What's the matter? Then only the family can cooperate properly. Till now, so if you produce,
honestly ask. Because he denied me because
if the person
is not the way. We have not illegally entered. Okay, we have not illegal. We are asking by permission. Permission. We have entered here. She also.
Inquiry, I needed paper. Even we need appointment even to speak to like this is an odd hour. All of us were asleep. See, my son will begin to cry now. We have a small baby, and like I've been requesting you to kindly produce the document so that like I will either call my husband or I'll be able to help you.
If you can, sir, if you can produce any.
We're not forcing. Okay, we're not forcing her. We can patiently, and we have request her also honestly to meet him.
Some big shot. So I'm bound to come. So I said like kindly like tell me who is he? Then like he said like I have to like I am bound because I'm in duty.
When someone opened the gate, did you know that they were police?
They were not aware.
Then?
They were not aware.
Did you get any appointment that they were coming
That is what we were not aware, and then we were fast asleep. Then I got so shocked. Then I was asking like. I thought like they were like with good intention they came. Then I was entertaining them, and then I went to get a water for them in the kitchen. When I went there, like 4 or 5 of them, the police personnel, they were like torching on my eyes. And then like, see, this is how like the
flashing light.
Yeah, flashing light on my eyes, and then like I got so scared, and then like I came and like asked what happened. Then like he started like. Asking like like to contact my husband. So like what is the reason, what the purpose, I wanted to know. And like he started like ordering to tell his boys to go for house search and all. So like till then like I've been asking for house like the documents. Where is the search warrant? But this is not the way the law function.
Yes.
You see, in the past we've been like dealing with such unacceptable guests, and like the cases are still lying in the court, all bogus, no substance. I'm openly saying no substance at all, and like today also repeating the same thing.
They are the guardian of the law, so I think they should first obey the law.
And like we have been tolerating this because like we've been a good citizen so far till now also, and like I'm trying to tell him, if there is any misunderstanding, kindly provide us the documents. Oh, sure. No problem.
Phone the open door. Phone level.
Will meet up tomorrow, no problem. No problem.
That's fine.
No problem. Sure.
Why you are making these things and all?
No problem. No problem. I'm really sorry for you. Okay.
We have even after entering also form the welcome us. We have set. We have to take water also.
Yeah.
After that, I told you that.
Why not? You are the responsible citizen. Before you told us, I'm the one to be coming tomorrow to get a stock of what is happening. You shouldn't be calling us. I'm the one to be coming to get a stock of what is actually happening. So don't worry, we'll be there. You don't have to search for us. I need to tate hibuli amai kam no. Mane to Diphu Police or if at all Diphu Police station is working for the people's law, then we are there. Why not? Why should I mean this is